Question 17 is a longer, multi-part problem about a farmer's maize. He has 540 bags, each 112 kilograms. After drying, the mass decreases in the ratio 15 to 16. There are 3 parts. Part A. The mass lost after drying. The ratio 15 to 16 means the dried mass is 15/16 of the original. So each bag's new mass is 112 times 15 over 16, which is 105 kilograms. That means each bag loses 7 kilograms. Across all 540 bags, the total lost is 7 times 540, which is 3,780 kilograms. Part B. The number of trips. The trader repacks the dried maize into 90-kilogram bags. The total dried mass is 105 times 540, and dividing by 90 gives 630 bags. The lorry carries 120 bags per trip, so 630 divided by 120 is 5.25. You can't make a quarter of a trip, so we round up to 6 trips. Part C. The selling price per bag for a 26% profit. First, the total cost. Buying 630 bags at $1,500 each is $945,000. Transport is $2,500 per trip, times 6 trips, which is $15,000. Together, that's $960,000. For 26% profit, we multiply by 1.26, giving 1,209,600. Dividing by 630 bags, each bag sells for 1,920 shillings. So, to summarize, the mass lost is 3,780 kilograms. The lorry made 6 trips, and each bag sells for 1,920 shillings. Well done! That's question 17 complete.